It's Pride Month, so if you look at my messy room in the background, you're a mega homophobe.
This video was formed from a live ostrich.
So, it's Sunday. This week is my last week of school. My last full week. I have Monday, and then I have like a senior trip. We're doing a little cruise thing. I'm gonna vlog it. And then I'm done. I graduate the week after, I think. So I wanted to do one more doing something for a week video. And I didn't really feel like dressing up as artists again. So I figured I'm going to try to recreate some makeup looks that I've seen on Pinterest. Specifically eyeliner, because I don't really have much else when it comes to makeup. I could put on like lip gloss or something, but I don't really want to. So mostly eyeliner looks, eyeshadow, eye makeup. Looks that I found on Pinterest, Instagram, whatever. I don't know if I have anything else to say before I go into Monday. I will say I might change the colors a little bit to match whatever I'm wearing for the day, because I'm too lazy to find like a shirt that fits the colors of the actual look. So I'm trying to just go for the style here, is what I'm trying to say, like the actual style of the makeup look. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow with the first makeup look. Hello, I feel like shit this morning, but you probably don't care. Here's what the first look is. I wanted to start off easy. I don't even have it pulled up on my phone. Now I'm going to attempt to do it. I don't know if you can even see me in the camera, but it's fine. Okay, not half bad so far. I just realized this is probably a better angle. I think I already messed up because I think I was supposed to have the yellow go like downwards, but we're gonna work with it. I need to move you. Hopefully you can see me like that, maybe? I don't know. I'm experimenting. Okay, here we go. Does that look good, or is that a yikes? I don't know. I kind of like it. I think it looks fine for what I'm trying to do. Okay, I already know that I did something wrong because the yellow is supposed to be on top of the black, but I just kind of threw the black over it, so that's all you can see is the black. Oh goodness, that line is not good. I need to fix that. Here's the thing. I never told anyone I was good at makeup. But I mean, hey, I think it's passable. Every day I think I'm gonna get at least one comment that's like, hey, I like your makeup. But no, nothing. I was not perceived today, so I'll see you tomorrow. I still haven't found a good angle for this video. Sorry, but here's today's look. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I'm gonna have a meltdown. I cry? And what if I just scrap this video? And what if nobody sees it ever? Because
what is this?
I don't even know if I can wear this to school. It looks so shitty. This side turned out fine. This side turned out a mess. The eyeshadow looks blotchy. I don't know what to do. Okay, a lot is happening. I know I look very gay, but first, look what came in the mail.
These nuts.
I'm so sorry. That's literally on my wrist. Okay, sorry. I was excited about that. Anyway, somebody in my gym class said that they liked my makeup today. And it's like, I thought this looked like shit. I thought this looked like shit. I literally had a meltdown this morning about it. So, I will see you tomorrow with the next makeup look. Okay, I don't have much time, so here's the look. There's no way I could possibly mess this up, right? That's it. That's all there is to it. I did it. The dots look messy, but I don't care, to be honest. I've got nothing to say. Nothing happened makeup-wise today. So, I will see you tomorrow. Y'all even see me? That should be good. I think today's look is going to be my hardest look. I don't think tomorrow's will be as hard as this one. I also have a scholarship night tonight. I'm not wearing this makeup to that, but my mom does not know that my makeup's gonna look like this, so she might be pissed at me. Fun. That's what I feared would happen. Well, I'll fix it when I'm done with the other side. Part 1, done. Ow, my eye hurts, but I can't rub it because makeup, ow. Well, it's fine. Okay, I would say not bad. For someone who sucks at makeup, not bad. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Hey, so my mom said she couldn't really see the pink, the little swirlies that well. I guess it was just because of the eyeliner I used. Very pale pink, I guess. I don't know. But that was the only comment I got about my makeup today. So I will see you tomorrow with the last makeup look, which is for Rainbow Day at school. So that's going to be exciting. God, my ring light is bright this morning. Anyway, hello. It's Rainbow Day, and it's the last day of me doing this. Already drying out. Fuck. That's not good. It's kind of a look, but it's not the look I'm going for. So, yeah, it starts at like the middle of the rainbow. So it starts at green. Or I guess I'd start at the inner corner of my eye. So it starts at yellow. speak with my eyes open, but I'm kind of miserable right now, so I don't care, to be honest. Okay, I'm too lazy to turn off my fan, so I'm just gonna be loud. I realized today that like if I do a little bit of adjusting to this look, it could be a look instead of a monstrosity. If I don't do the eyeliner over the little hearts, I think it'd be cute. Or if I just remove the hearts altogether and just did the wings with the rainbow underneath, that would also be cute. But hey, would you look at that? It's Friday, which means this video is over. That's how I'm ending this. If you liked this video, like it, comment below, I guess, which one you thought I did best or something. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, share with your friends, all that crazy, wacky, weird, amazing, awesome, fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I never know how to end these things.